If you want to make sure that you really have a strong trademark, for starters you might end up with going through a branding company where they're going to give you different expertise that they have. But once you come up with the different names, you're going to want to select a name that is really arbitrary and fanciful. And what that means is that you're going to want to select a trademark that does not say anything about the qualities or the ingredients or the services, or really suggest anything about the product or service. And that seems sort of counterintuitive, because you would think, why would I not want to say anything in my branding, in the trademark I choose, about the product or the service? But really, if you choose an arbitrary or a fanciful mark and you're successful in drawing that connection in the mind of the consumer between your trademark and your goods and services, when the trademark started off to be a coined term or a term that you made up, that really is the strongest trademark that you can come up with.